Well, this is episode 5 of Toyota Talks with me. Question numero uno, number 1. Bree wants to know, I'm overwhelmed trying to pick a new car. Where should I start? Well, here, of course. I know there are a lot of options out there, and I've actually been talking to a couple of my friends recently about that same question and decision. First things first, you want to make a list of the things you need or want. Do you want a car with lots of technology? Do you want a car with the performance capabilities, safety technology, fuel efficiency, interior space if you have a family or if you don't? You want to think about all of those must-have features, so when you come in, you tell one of our amazing sales guys what you want and we'll make it happen. But make sure you come here and tell them I sent you. All right, number 2, David wants to know, where is your favorite vacation spot? I love to go to the Bahamas. It's usually a really quick trip from Florida, especially on a cruise. I get to relax, I get to unwind, have a Bahama mama, do whatever I need to do. And you know, they say whatever happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, also in the Bahamas. Trust me. Okay, now question number 3. Daryl wants to know, I smell rotten eggs when I drive my car. So help. Well, I promise it's not last year's lunch that you left in your car. Not that I'm familiar with that or anything. It sounds like you have an issue with your catalytic converter. This is a pretty typical sign. Bring your car into our service center as soon as you can, because the issue is only going to get worse and you need to get it repaired ASAP. Plus, who wants to drive around with that smell, right? And number 4, Kelsey wants to know, what's your favorite recipe? I'll be honest with you, I love it when people cook for me. I don't know, maybe I was rich in another lifetime and I like that kind of service. But if I had to cook, I have a couple of them. I do a really fun recipe where it's like pork chops and beer, in Spanish, chuletas en cerveza, and then I have another one that's rum cake, and I just realized they all involve alcohol. I promise I don't drive afterwards. All right, number 5, Lauren wants to know, do I really need to tint my windows? Hello, mija. Of course you do. This is Florida. Tinting your windows can not only keep your car a lot cooler and protect you from the sun, it also helps protect the interior of your car from the damage the sun can do to it. How many times have I passed by a car and I look over and it looks cracked and all, and it doesn't look good. So, and especially we're here in Florida, so go ahead and have our service center make it happen for you pronto. And that concludes another episode of Toyota Talks.